The Huawei Impulse screen replacement. Remove the battery cover, the camera trim cover, and the battery. Now there's 6 screws that you want to remove from the rear housing, 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom. And if there's a memory card, you want to go ahead and remove that now. At the top, you want to carefully peel up this cable. Now, towards the bottom, you want to take your black plastic pick and you want to start separating it between the black rear housing and the front faceplate trim. There are several clips located all around the housing that you want to go ahead and just continue to take your black wedge tool and wedge the back housing up. You want to make sure that you do not wedge the circuit board up with the back housing. You want to split, just like is shown, the rear housing from the majority of the foam. At this point, we're going to go ahead and free up some of the flex cables that are adhered onto the faceplate trim, starting with the power button flex. Just peel that carefully up. Now we want to go ahead and remove the digitizer cable. At this point, we're going to go ahead and just grab the circuit board, and it's going to go ahead and pick that whole LCD assembly up with it. And our replacement part at PhoneDoctors.com includes this entire assembly, so it's really easy. You just order the part online at PhoneDoctors.com and remove the dust cover. Now, we're going to go ahead and pick up our circuit board LCD assembly. We're going to point out something here to you. There is a tab on the left side. You can see how we insert it first, kind of on an angle into that digitizer frame. So make sure that that left side gets seated first. Plug in the digitizer flex cable, and you want to position the power button flex onto the frame. At this point, we're going to go ahead and put our volume keys into position, flat side facing the faceplate trim. Once we position the buttons, we're going to go ahead and pick up our rear housing and get that into position. Make sure that you peel back that camera flash flex. And we're going to go ahead and just squeeze the rear housing onto the faceplate trim all around simply. You hear little clicks. Once that is accomplished, go ahead and position that cable on top of the housing and start by inserting all the screws. Now we'll go ahead and put the camera trim cover on, insert the battery, memory card if applicable, and battery door. The Huawei Impulse screen replacement.